2.
You
2.
get 8.
No, what's half of 4? Multiplying by 1/2. That's saying, what's 4 times 1?
4.
Alright, so what do you think 4 times 1/2 is?
Oh, it's less than that.
Yeah, it's going to be 2.
I said 2.
Because half of 2 is 4. I mean, half of 4 is 2. Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
Well, try a couple other examples and you'll see.
Okay.
Sometime, don't do it right now.
I said 2 a while ago.
Isn't it just the same area as how you do a rhombus, but you just split it in half because that's what a triangle is?
That's right. I mean, you just add the half. Yeah, that's exactly right. Alright, so this leads us. Alright, so I want y'all to try, for time's sake, just do all 3 of them. You got time to do all 3 of them, I believe. Yeah, you can do that. Alright, I want to see it either on your iPad. If you do it on your iPad, as long as Miss Baldwin or myself sees it, that's fine. You should draw the triangle, label it, and then find the area. This is finding the area of triangles. Wouldn't we just say that the formula was?
Half times base times height. Can we erase this stuff?
I don't know what that means.
Do what can I?
I don't know what half times base times height.
That's what we just discussed.
Yeah, but what is the half?
What did we just discuss, bro?
What is half? Well, half of what?
Half of the base times the height.
Base times.
Does that make sense, bro?
Wait, rhombus or triangle?
This is triangle. Triangle. Yes,
I don't have Shelby. You don't go to Shelby, then you go to Edge Creation.
but if you don't want to do it on Edge Creations, you can do it on paper. That's fine too.
What do we do? Notes right there. Okay. What do we do?
Yes, sir.
Someone been deleting all this out.
Alright, let's get started. Alright, I should hear discussions about math. You may work together if you need help, but as long as it's got to be discussions about math. Well, it's not hard.
Okay. I'm going to give you permission to go and put this up there and get another app.
49.
I know you did the area the other day of base times height. All you do is take the numbers. Listen.
She wasn't here yesterday to do base times
That's
height.
right. Okay. Alright. Base times height. Alright. So, where's the piece of paper? Get a sheet of paper out because you need to see this on paper. You need to see this on paper. Me drawing it out on paper for you.
I'm already on number 2.
Alright. We have a parallel.
We have to find the area on
You draw it and answer the area.
I've already answered how to hit
Chris, you might want to see what Jose's doing. He knows what he's doing.
Today we did a triangle. The base is still right here. Alright, y'all need to be, we shouldn't be drawing and playing.
I know, I was doing my things, but I didn't know we had to answer.
Alright, get to work.
Okay, next one.
We just discussed right here. We draw our right here. We create 2 triangles. So therefore the area.
Miss Baldwin, I'm finished.
We do.
Alright, 12 times 8, what'd you get?
96. And then divide it by 2. And then I got 48.
1/2 times 96. And then so you got 48?
48 units squared.
Alright, that is correct. It's 48 units squared. That's correct. Don't forget that. Alright, next problem. Krishan.
Next problem,
How do we do the next problem?
you take 15 and subtract 18, which equals
15 times 18, which equals what? 270? Alright, then times 1/2.
divided by 2, which equals
Somebody help him out, Khalid.
What's Addy?
Oh, I know. Yeah. You need the answer.
You're doing something else too.
My money, and I need it now.
Alright, Krishan told us 270 is 15 times 18.
Okay.
Krishan just told us that 15 times 18 is 270.
divided by
What's the next step?
I don't have any of my work. It's like I got it. It's like
Well, think about it.
148. No.
No.
Is that what it is?
It's 48.
It's 48. No, the second.
270 divided by 2. What is it? I mean, think about
There
it.
you go. Oh.
Half of 200 and half of 70.
135.
135. Okay. Alright, so for time's sake, because we got to get our iPads up, that was 135. Again, 1/2 times the base, which is 15, times the height, which is 18. Alright, for the last problem, what did we get when we multiplied 20 by 15?
300.
300. Alright, divide by 2,
150.
150. Alright, good. Answer should be 150 units squared. Don't forget your units.
Square.
Even though we were just using units on the geo board, you still don't forget that. And it's squared. Alright, so to end today's lesson, I just want to ask, does anybody have any questions?
no, sir.
Oh, sir.
And just to wrap things up, I just want to say, what's the major? I want y'all to understand and make sure that y'all know, why do we have that 1/2 there?
Because it's a half of a square.
It's a half of a rectangle. A triangle is half of a rectangle.
Because a half equals to basically the same times 2. Divided by 2.
That's right. So all we're saying that when we find the area of a triangle, that's 1/2 of the rectangle. Does anybody have any questions? Okay, y'all can go ahead and start packing up.
I'm done, Mr. Addy.
All I want to see on there, Will, is rectangle and a parallelogram.
Is this good? Like a rhombus?
That's fine.
Is that good?
There.
That's good. Good.
Boom.
Good. Storage, you need some help?
No, I'm done.
Good. Alright, so I'm going to show you horizontal. Alright, this is what your geoboard should look like on your iPad.
The pointer's not working.